Yes, next I am going to explain structure of tooth. When we open our mouth, so in front of the mirror, what we see? Teeth are hard, strong and bony structures fixed firmly in the upper and lower jaws. Our teeth grow of our soft pink gums. Gums hold our teeth and only a portion of teeth can be seen. सिर्फ टीथ का कुछ पोर्शन नजर आता है, सारा तो नहीं ना नजर आता हमें, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द टूथ दैट आई हैव ड्रॉन हेयर. सो फर्स्ट इज आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट इज द क्राउन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्राउन? द पोर्शन ऑफ द टूथ दैट सीन अबव द गम. जो हमें गम से ऊपर नजर हिस्सा आता है वो हमें क्या, हम उससे क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज नोन एज द क्राउन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज that is the root. Root is the part of the tooth, portion of tooth that is inside the gum, जो कि gum के inside है and which we cannot see, that is known as the root. Next is the enamel. So what do you mean by enamel? A tooth has an outer white covering, that is enamel. Our teeth looks white and this white is white because it is the outer covering, white covering, that is the enamel. Next is the I am going to explain dentine. What do you mean by dentine? Dentine next layer inside the enamel. जो enamel है, enamel की जो next layer होती है, ठीक है, एक next layer है, that is known as the dentine and it forming the main part of the tooth. Pulp क्या है? That is the center of the tooth, that is known as the pulp. The pulp is soft and has blood vessels and nerves in it. That I explained third chapter also, that in ears, nose, ठीक है, here that they are sending signal to our brain. Same way our tooth also have a nerve, but it is in the pulp portion. So these blood vessels provide food to